TCL NextPaper. When it was announced, it never actually came out, the NextPaper 8 that is. They followed it with the 10S, but that was just an LCD screen with eye care technology. And now guess what, everybody? They actually brought the NextPaper technology, not just the name, to the playing field. This is the NextPaper 11, which actually has the full color ePaper display, not an LCD or LED. So they've been telling us this unit is supposed to have the actual technology that came out years back that was planned for the NextPaper 8 that never got released. So without further ado, we have to open this right now and see what lurks beneath and see if this truly is what we all hope it is. I hope to goodness this is everything that they said it is, because this is the tech, not the NextPaper name, the actual color ePaper display that we've been waiting for since the 8 came out. This box, if you didn't even look at it yet, is ripped, but it's ripped on purpose. You'll see that this is actually ripped paper from the box, but it is printed in such a way that seamlessly melds. But at first look, it almost looked like that was on purpose. I guess that's the point. So let's crack it open. This is a review sample, so unfortunately it's going to already be open, but that doesn't really matter. You do get a bookmark inside. You get this welcome sheet with some information at the back. I hope this isn't the LCD version. Seriously. This is supposed to be different than the 10S and the 12 Pro. That's the whole point. So let's leave the device till the very end, as we usually do. That is in there. So, oh, that's nice and light. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so what's under this foam? Nothing. You have to go to the next part of the book. It is a two-piece book here, and it looks like when you open it all the way, the glue peels away. That could just be the prototype sample box. You do get some pen replacement tips right there, and this looks like a pen holster that you stick somewhere. And we have a case. We have a case right here. This is a very nice case with some leather on the inside and leather on the outside, so it's pretty consistent. It says TCL, and it's got a cutout for the AI camera at the back. I believe we have to open the third section of this box right here to find everything else. Should have a USB-C, we have a TCL wall port, and the pen. Pen is really interesting because they're calling it the ePen. I have no idea what kind of pen this is. I don't know if they're using Wacom. I don't know if we're going to have some crossover between this and the Microsoft Surface or anything that's active capacitive. So this is, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, you know what this looks like? The feel, the plastics of it all, and the position of the USB-C charger. This looks exactly like the Ellipsa 2 pen. Almost precisely like it. I wonder if they went to the same manufacturer. There is a model number. I could actually look that up. So there doesn't seem to be anything else under here, and this is glued down, so that is everything that comes in the box. Let us look at the unit itself, and we will do a first-time boot up. Oh my gosh, that looks just like paper. No, it's a sleeve, so you got to make sure you take that off, and we'll see what the rest of this looks like. Let's put that off to the side. So you do have a SIM card slot, or an SD card slot, sorry. There's supposed to be a bunch of microphones on this too. There's supposed to be, I believe, 2 of them, and there's 4 speakers on it. This thing is super lightweight, and it looks like you do have some sort of antenna that goes the length of the device here. We don't honestly care about any of this. We want to see the display. That's the biggest thing. You guys don't want to hear from us that it's a tablet and it has Google, and all you do is go on Google Play. We need to see that this is what we think it is. Alright, I have played with every ePaper and ePaper alternative technology under the sun. Garmin MIP, I've played with DES. This is not ePaper. I'm not sure why they're calling it full color electronic paper, because this is just 100% LCD or LED. This is not performing like ePaper at all. That is not the way kind of ePaper works, unless I'm missing something by a massive margin, but this just feels exactly like an LCD LED experience. I'm not sure what they were going for here, but this is much like the 12 or the 10S in that it's just LCD. We will have to dive deeper and find out exactly why they're calling it that when this doesn't seem to perform anything near what people have been striving for. And if this is indeed ePaper, which I'm not holding my breath, then basically e-ink as a company has no more relevancy in the game, because why would they need to exist in a world where LCD is simulated in such a flawless and unrecognizable fashion like this? doesn't make much sense to me, but that's completely my opinion on this. We're going to be doing a deep dive. We are going to be finding out more from TCL before we do the review and before we proceed with any sort of final statement on this unit. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the TCL NextPaper 11. This is the latest device from TCL 2023. Everyone have a great day and stay tuned for future videos.